Jesus. Oh. What's up, YouTube? My name is Jessica and I am back with another video. So today, as you've probably already seen in the title, we'll begin our makeup done in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Now, ladies, I'm doing this for all the ladies all around the world. If you have a man and he's always talking like,
oh, girls take too long to get ready.
I'm about to prove y'all wrong. I'm about to prove you men wrong. It can be done. We're finna do this in 5 minutes. Now, I'm gonna have my timer on and turn it on to 5 minutes. Once that 5 minutes is up, it's going to ding or whatever. And watch me be done. I might even be done before 5 minutes. Anyways, yes, I'm wearing sweats. But look, low key though. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Low key, it's a fit, okay? Before we get into the video though, I just want you guys to subscribe, okay? We are on video number 4 now, 4 videos in. And I just wanna know, why aren't you subscribed yet? Like, if you keep coming back to watch my videos and you haven't subscribed, why? What can I do to make you subscribe? Anyways, I really appreciate all the love I'm getting so far, all the views. Actually, my mind is blown. Like, I'm surprised I get over 100 views each video. Like, it's blowing my mind. Anyways, let's get into this video. Right, so I have my timer here set to 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in my hand. Get ready, because every second counts. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hit start. Okay. All right, so what I usually do is start with my eyebrows. In my opinion, this is bushy. My eyebrows look bushy because I know what they look like when I first get them done. But then naturally, I'm somebody who doesn't have like thick eyebrows. My eyebrows are really thin. They've always been like that though. And it's like a love-hate relationship with that, because there are times where I'm like, dang, I wish I had thick eyebrows. But then there are times where, like now, where we can't get our eyebrows done, and I'm like, you know what? I'm kind of glad I don't have thick eyebrows, because now I'm not like looking all the way crazy. You know, not to say you guys look crazy with your thick eyebrows, but yeah. But yeah, so I always start with my eyebrows, and I try to like just fill in, like not overdraw. Hey, overdraw. Wow, Jessie, overdraw. Yo, okay. I try to not overdraw my eyebrows, so like I don't, you know, look completely crazy, or it doesn't look completely fake or not real. But yeah, anyways, next I go in with my matte concealer. I don't know what color it is, but yeah, go in with my matte concealer to highlight under my eyebrow. You feel me? Just like that, like this, like that, like that, like this. This isn't even the brush I use to conceal, but I can't find the brush right now because I'm rushing. So I just took the first brush that I seen. Oh yeah, if you guys want me to do like an actual makeup tutorial, not that I know how to, you know, I'm not like a makeup artist or anything, but like I can beat my face. Okay, you guys, what time is it? Ooh, 2 minutes and 30 seconds gone. How? Now I'm shaking. My eyebrows gonna look crazy because I'm shaking. Oh God. Honestly, this look is gonna be interesting if I'm gonna be completely honest. Cause that's it. That's all I have to say. It's gonna be an interesting makeup look. Ooh, child. Oh wow, I said it again. My fiance made a comment or a point the other day and said that I say ooh child in every video. And I guess I do. I'm sorry, babe. Anyways, blend. So at this point, I'm just blending the highlighter. And now, listen, we don't have time to prime or anything like that, so we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the foundation. What time is it? How much time do I have? And I'm wasting time like, ew, 1 minute. Hey, time goes like that. Yo, I know this blending skill is not gonna look all that good, but listen, we are on a time crunch. So I use Tarte Shapewear, whatever it's called, to highlight my everything. I'm not doing my forehead. I have a naturally big forehead, so I don't like to enhance it by highlighting it to draw attention to it, you know? So yeah, anyway. Oh god, my hair is on my way. How much time? How much time? Yo. Hey, 30 seconds. Okay. I'm beating the heck out of my face right now. So next I use my Laura Mercier to bake, but we don't have time to bake, so we're gonna set. You feel me? Jesus. Oh. Done. In time, just in time. You know, my lash is a little bit lopsided. I just have to fix my lash, that's all. All done! Okay! And my lash keeps falling, my eyelashes is falling down. Okay, honey, period. It's the look. Anyways, as you can see, I wasn't able to fully complete my makeup in 5 minutes, but I did basically everything else. Like up close, it looks crazy, but like if you stand far away, it looks fine. Anyways, so this brings us to the end of this video. As you can see, I wasn't able to complete my makeup in 5 minutes, but I'm sure if I had another 5 minutes, I would have been able to do it for real. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next one.